Okay, so let's say you are given a question in which should be done in Microsoft Access, such as they say create a table called blah 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 having the following structure, right? So what you have to do, go and open Microsoft Access, then on blank page there's where you have to click it. Then either you rename or just create. Okay. Then after that, okay, let's go to the question. On the question, since it says create a table called publisher, so our table we're going to rename it from table 1 to publisher. That's the first step. So we just double tap it. Okay. Before that, we just have to go where it says view and click where it says design field. Then we write publisher and press OK. Now we need to add some field names. So the field names which are required are a pub ID, pub name, and URL. Okay, short text, data type, short text, and hyperlink. So pub ID, pub ID, pub name, and what URL. So yes, on this one I have to click the drop down menu and click where it says short text. Then on this one I'm going to select where it says hyperlink. There it is. So just to confirm, let's go back to the question. Is pub ID, pub name, and URL. So now after entering this, right, what we have to do is just to go back to the database view so that we enter the information. Do you want to save this table now? Yes, save. Now we want to enter the information which is required us to enter. So this is the following information, right? So let me just minimize this page on the left side so that we can see, okay, this one on the right side, just like that. Okay, we can just make it bigger for it to be visible. Okay, yeah. On this page, right, on pub ID, so what we have to enter is we just have to enter the following information. Micro okay, singage.com just like that. Okay, so going back to the question, right, as you can see, the question is just said enter the following data for the publisher table. So now we have the publisher table on the screen and the information is successfully filled in. Okay, because this is how you create a table and fill in your information, right?